Meditation is a great tool that any of us can do to de-stress. As I describe it to patients, it's something that is simple to use, but it's not always easy. But with practice, anyone can meditate. 5 minutes twice a day, and I'm going to show you how. Bring your attention to your body in the chair as it rests there. Notice how your legs, your lower back, your upper back, all areas of your body that are touching the chair, just kind of bring your awareness to those areas of your body. And again, notice how your body is completely supported effortlessly by the chair. And now, if you can, bring that attention to your breath. I want you to bring your attention to how your chest expands and contracts with the rhythmic cycle of your breathing. Notice how on the in-breath, your chest expands, and on the out-breath, your chest collapses, and how this is a very natural and easy and cyclical breathing pattern. As you become more relaxed, you may notice that your breathing becomes slower and deeper. That's okay. What I want you to do is every time your attention is dragged away by a thought or an idea, I want you to bring your attention very gently back to your breath. And all we're doing is just strengthening our sense of attention to our breathing. Now I want you to bring your attention away from your breath to your hands in your lap. And now bring your attention to your body, the areas of your body in the chair, your back, your legs. And finally bring your attention to your feet on the floor, the soles of your feet on the floor. And gradually open your eyes, looking down, and gradually accustom yourself to the brightness of the room.